This is Dr. Ashish Khaira and I'm your instructor, and I will teach you about 3D printing and design with the help of the Ultimaker Cura. Actually, this course is designed for students as well as professionals of all age. And if you are a mechanical engineer or a civil engineer, electrical, electronics, or if you are an architect, if you are an interior decorator, then this course is for you because you have some concept. Then with the help of the 3D printer, you can make a prototype of it so that you can check where how your object will look in real life, how it will perform in real life. So you can see all these things. As all of you can see that what we can do is we can create a such type of sculptures. As you can see, if in real life we want to create such type of object, and it is very difficult to create this type of mold. Please see the structure of it, like this, like this, like this, the eyes and nearby this meshing structure. It is very difficult to manufacture in real life with the help of the conventional casting processor. It is possible with rapid prototyping or 3D printing. Apart from this, you can also go for making a such type of mechanical objects like bearing. If you are an aviation expert or a drone lover, then you can create your own drone with the help of the 3D printing. This is just a basic introduction about what exactly is the 3D printing and what are the scopes of it. Now let me tell what we cover in this particular course. We will cover this software. Actually, what happens is when we want to prepare a certain object with the help of the 3D printer, first we have to check its drawing, that whether it is whether it has some defects or not, how much time it will take. All these things we have to check before printing on the actual 3D printer. All these things we do with the help of the Ultimaker Cura software. And what we do is after complete this setting, we go for the slicing. It depends upon your system, it may take some time. And what does it show? It shows how much time will it will take to make this particular object. So now you can go for the preview. Here you can see the simulated part like this. It is showing the simulated part. You can see any of the layer you want to see, like this. By sliding this, you can see different layers, how it is manufacturing. Okay. If you want to learn this software completely, then please follow all the videos thoroughly. And believe me, and I'm pretty confident, if you learn this software completely, then it will be very much helpful in your career.